Is too much information making you forget the important stuff? Forgot your mother-in-law's birthday? Forgot who sings your favorite song? Forgetting essential negotiation skills at the most crucial time of your biggest deal? We can't help you remember birthdays or songs. We definitely have a solution to help you learn, retain, and apply the information from your last training or seminar. Keepit-app helps you look up and search for specific content or keywords by taking another look and keeping it memorized. It allows you to take a personal performance review and look back at what you've learned, which makes it easier to remember. There's even a handy quiz module to help you test how well you learn. So turn your forgetting curve into a remembering curve. When keeping it is crucial, use Keepit-app. Download at Google Play or iTunes.